Okay, I have already removed the Teflon tube, but let me quickly show you how can you remove it. So in my email, I put the picture, that flat side of this screw. You can place your adjustable wrench here, secure in place, and then all you need to rotate this steam tube to clockwise direction to open it, and counterclockwise to close it. Once you hold this bolt connection in place, please open it and it will go out clockwise direction. And once you remove it, it will come out with Teflon tube inside. So you can open the steam tube from one side and then pull the Teflon tube out. And then please quickly inspect this Teflon tube. I know it's a little bit hard to observe any small micro tear or damages, but still you can maybe you can locate some damage on it, and in that case we can ship you the another Teflon tube so you can quickly install it. Or if everything is okay with Teflon tube, let me show you how can you properly assemble it back. So you can install this tube back to put it back the outer case, but after putting this tube inside, it will be hard to push this tip against the Teflon tube. So it's better to do it while you have the Teflon tube on hand like this. So this tube goes till the end. You don't need to push it till the end. You can keep it somewhere here till this part. And then this is the correct position of the steam tube. We will push it from here. Okay, so it will go and it might stay here, the inside, but you can use a flip screwdriver or any pointed tool. Just 1 second, please. So what I'm doing now, I just remove this tip again. Okay. And I just put it partially. So if you have a smaller plier, you can try to hold it from here and lift it a bit. So close this area. Okay. And when you put it back here, that the small metal should go inside that Teflon tube, and you will see it from the top. I'm not sure the camera capture. No, I don't think it will capture this part, but you will see it. The tube should go inside the Teflon tube. You can also move it a little bit up and down. Yeah, I can also feel it's inside. Okay, and now you can do first 4 or 5 rotations with your hand to close it, counterclockwise direction, yeah. And to open it clockwise. And in the end, please put the wrench back here and give one final torque. Okay. Has a ball valve here that it moves in every direction. So if you cannot locate the correct side orientation for the wrench, you can adjust it and put the wrench to tighten this part, okay? And let me quickly explain your questions about the delay during the dispensing. So on these machines, this OPV valve, it's connected to the same boiler of the machine. Let me just quickly show it. So I already removed the top, the panel of the machine. And here, this is the OPV valve of the machine, the handle that regulates the pressure during the extraction. If you keep this OPV valve in open position, some amount of the water will go back to water tank. So you will have less flow rate here. Or when it's closed, means you need to rotate it counterclockwise direction until it stops. So in that case, all water will come from the group head. Okay. So here, this is the boiler. That OPV valve handle, as you can see, it's attached to the same boiler. So basically, when you run the machine, if you open it partially, some amount of water will go back to water tank and you will have less flow here. If you want to increase the flow here, you need to close it. Another thing, if you keep it in some open position like this, you will hear the leakage noise coming from the machine, which is completely normal. Again, this is OPV valve is connected to the boiler, and when the water it gets hot, it starts to escape through this OPV valve and goes to water tank. When you check here, you will see other tubes that goes inside the machine. So one of them is connected to the OPV valve here. So if you see that temperature inside the water tank is rising, or you see some steam is coming from here, all you need just to close this OPV valve. And another thing about the delay, yeah. And when you open this OPV valve, the machine dispenses excess water to the water tank, right? And next time when you press the button, since the boiler and the copper lines are empty, machine first fills this boiler and the lines, and then start to dispense the water. So therefore, if this OPV is fully opened and this all water dispensed to the water tank, after you closing this, when you press the button, it will take around 15 seconds to fill the boiler and the pipes, and then it will start to dispense the water. If you want to get water immediately once you press the button, all you need to make sure that this OPV valve is closed, and you press this button. Once everything is filled, it will dispense the water, right? Then from there, if you keep this in closed position, the next time every push here, it will dispense immediately, right away, once you dispense press the pump button. I wrote a blog post about this machine, about this functionality, because this machine has a little bit different hydraulic circuit compared to other single boiler machines. And I feel that it caused confusion on customers' end. And in order to resolve that, I just wrote this blog post to explain all these features. So I'm sending this, after sending this video, I'll share that PDF with you, so you can also check it. It will be helpful to perform pre-infusion, pressure profiling. Okay.